This is the Just Between Friends Kids Consignment Sale happening this weekend at the Sportsplex at Warminster, 654 York Road in Warminster, our new location. We'll be here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday, our hours are from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., Saturday 8 to 5, and Sunday is our half-price day from 8 to 3. We are thrilled to be at our new location, which offers lots of convenient and free parking. We know that was a limitation in the past, but in addition to parking, we have lots more space to display all of our consignors' items. We had over 700 local moms and dads just like you and me drop off their items here. That's a record number for us with over 200,000 items in this large space. In addition to more area to display the merchandise, we have more cash registers. So we've added 4 additional cash registers with a total of 14 registers to get you in and out of here as quickly as possible. Although this is a new location, it's the same type of great quality merchandise you've expected to find at Just Between Friends. So whether you are clothing a newborn or a teenager, we have it here for you. The items that we feature are seasonal, so things that your child would wear between now and September. That includes seasonal clothing as well as shoes and accessories. In addition to clothing, we have tons and tons of toys. So whether you're looking for games, puzzles, books, or large items such as strollers, pack and play, swings, outdoor slides, you name it, we have it here at the Sportsplex at Warminster. Just Between Friends is your one-stop shop, everything you need for your growing family, and it only happens twice a year. Whatever you do, this is one event you cannot afford to miss. We'll see you here.